Hi guys, I'm so excited today. I can't wait not to document this for you guys. So today I was able to buy some materials for my bench slash pull-up bed foam cover. I previously just had a cloth covered to it, and it's very messy. Finally, since the store is open, I was able to purchase the fabric of my choice, this one. In this video, I'm gonna show you a DIY trick and how to cover my foam without sewing. Yes, I'm gonna use a Velcro tape. Most DIY videos you can see online uses a plywood, but I opt not to use that because it's only going to add weight to my camper van. And also I wanted to make something that I can easily wash. So first, we're gonna need a fabric of your choice, some glue sticks and some glue gun, scissors, ruler and pencil, some Velcro tape, and some foam. Oh, just a heads up on my foam. I actually used an old foam, so I hope you don't mind. If you wanted to follow this video, you can just use a brand new one, of course. Okay, so first, let's line up the fabric. I already pre-cut this to the size of the foam. Lay the foam on top of the fabric. Make sure they meet at the center. So this will be the back part. Now to avoid all this fabric from going out, we'll have to seal this off with some glue stick here. Okay, and then also on this side, and then add some Velcro tape. Now, how could we make sure that when we attach the Velcro, it's going to be so tight? Okay, so let's attach first the other side. Okay, now let's work on the sides. All right, so on this side, we'll just have to add some glue here. Glue stick that. It's all done now. If we wash it, if we decided to wash it, we're just gonna have to open the seal there. So we are now installing our new foam.